Imagine a world without cars. How would you get around? The four-stroke engine is crucial to modern transportation. Let's explore how it works step by step. Four key stages of the four-stroke engine. 1. Intake. 2. Compression. 3. Power. 4. Exhaust. Each stage is vital for smooth operation. In the intake stage, the engine draws in air and fuel. A valve opens, allowing the mixture to enter the cylinder. Next is the compression stage. The piston moves up, compressing the air-fuel mixture. This makes combustion more efficient. Then comes the power stage. A spark plug ignites the mixture. The explosion forces the piston down. This creates the power needed to turn the engine. Finally, in the exhaust stage, the piston moves back up, pushing out exhaust gases. The cycle is now complete. Let's visualize this process. Picture a bicycle pump. As you pull up, you create space to draw in air. When you push down, air escapes. The four-stroke engine works similarly, only with explosions for power. To summarize, the four-stroke engine has four stages: intake, compression, power, and exhaust. Each stage is essential for engine function. Curious to know more about engines or how they benefit you? Explore our resources for detailed information and guides. Your journey into engine technology starts now.